Assalamu alaikum, myself Kadir, and in this video I will show you a real-wise business account issue. The client's account got blocked because Wise requested proof of valid trading address in the UK USA. Until that proof was submitted, the account stayed frozen, no sending, no receiving, no trading. This is one of the most common problem businesses face with the Wise account, and it can completely stop operations if not solved quickly. The client gave me their account login and the required details. I prepared and submitted the correct trading address documents and handled the process directly with Wise and monitored every step carefully. Everything was filed properly, fast, checked out any password, and we provided our service. And you can see we submitted the document, and here is the result. In just 2 hours, the Wise account was fully verified and approved, and block was removed, access restored, and client was back in business. This is exactly the urgent service I provide. If your Wise account faces the same issue, I can deliver fast approvals and get you back on track without delays. Just contact me on the WhatsApp number given in the comment section, and I guide you further. And within 2 hours, your problem will be solved with our service. Thank you so much, and I hope this video finds you well. Thanks.